This short video looks at the concept of subtraction. Just like addition, subtraction needs to be linked through visual representations and stories. Have a look at the board. Jake has 5 bears. Diana takes 3 of Jake's bears. How many bears does Jake have left? It's really quite simple to see that if we have 5 bears that Jake originally has, take away 3 bears, we have 2 bears left. Similarly to addition, we need to build understanding of numbers, how they're added, and knowing basic facts about grouping in tens. Addition actually plays a vital role in subtraction. Again, we need to look at place value, make sure kids can count backwards, look at our tens buddies, and look at automatic responses for subtracting single digit numbers. So some such as 9 take 6 equals 3. Then we need to build on the strategies and skills, including thinking about how subtraction of bigger numbers can be achieved through breaking down the bigger numbers through a process known as renaming. On our example on our board, we have 87 take 39. The first part of renaming is to rename the part that is being subtracted. In this case, we get 87, take 30, take 9. We then can take away the tens component. So we'll do 87, take 30 is 57, and we still have our other 9 that we must take away. The renaming part comes in the next step. 7 take 9 is not something that we can teach young children to do. Some of you will be aware that 7 take 9 is -2, but that's not what we teach young children. So we must rename the 57 to be 40 plus 17. 40 plus 17, take 9, is now the sum that we must do. If we do the 17 take 9, we'll get 8, leaving us with 40 plus 8, which gives us 48. We also need to teach students to do this vertically. So we can see that our vertical sum is set up as 87, take 39. We start at the top and again we work from right to left. 7 take 9 we can do as -2, but we don't do it as part of this rule. So we teach the students that 7 take 9, we don't do, we have to rename. So we look at the 8, we rename it to a 7 and bring 1 across to from our 80. So our 80 is becoming 70 plus 10. That 10 makes our 7 now 17. So then we go through. 17 take 9 is 8. We've got 7 in our tens column now, so 7 take 3 would be 4, again giving us the answer of 48. Please note though that the renaming part that we showed in the first part of this video does come out a little bit differently to when we rename vertically. Students have to see the link between the renaming of 57 to be 40 plus 17 and the renaming of 87 to be 80 plus 17. Once we've built on this rule, we need to go further then and support subtraction through estimation and calculator use. Finally, the subtraction concept would be extended to decimal fractions.